Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this guide video, I will show you how to log out Shein account. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open Shein application. You can see over here Shein application has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. What you have to do is tap on the me icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. So in order to log out of your account, you'll have to access the settings. For that, tap on the gear icon that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now you can see over here you'll be led to the settings interface. In this interface, what you have to do is scroll down. Now at bottom you'll be able to find the option for sign out. Simply tap on it. Now you'll be able to see the question, are you sure you want to sign out? Tap on the option sign out. Now this kind of pop-up will appear. If you want Shein to remember your account, simply tap on the option yes, otherwise tap on the option no. Now you can see over here you'll be logged out of your account. So that is how you log out Shein account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.